We have reviewed the best quality solar ovens or cookers in this video. Find the full review on the website bestportablesonline.com. GoSun Go weighs only 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms, that makes it perfect to carry for camping, hiking, boating or even tailgating. Number 2. GoSun Sport. This portable solar oven is the advanced version of GoSun Go and it is the fastest heating solar oven. Using this solar cooker you can prepare 2 to 3 meals easily so that it is ideal for couples or solo travelers who are RVers or hikers. If you need a solar cooker that cooks at night then GoSun Fusion Hybrid Solar Oven would be a perfect choice. GoSun Fusion will be your best outdoor gear while you are camping with family or friends with its ability to cook 4 to 5 meals per load. Number 4. Sunflare Solar Oven Deluxe. The highlight of this oven is its ability to serve meals for 4 to 8 people at a time. This is an ideal feature when you are camping or hiking with a group of people. Sunflare Mini is one of the best small portable solar ovens available in the market with great portable features. This entire kit of this solar cooker weighs only 1.25 pounds that makes it perfect for backpacking. When you need a bag-shaped oven for easy transportation, JWN Green Portable Solar Oven will do the job for you. This oven has an excellent cooking area, around 17 by 16 inches, thereby you can almost 3 to 4 persons at a time.